Hi, my name is Max Keller from Conestoga Collision, and I'm here to talk to you again about pre- and post-repair scanning. There is currently a debate in our industry over the necessity of these pre- and post-repair scans, so we feel it is important to let you know where we stand. First off, what are pre-repair and post-repair scans? Simply put, this is the scanning of your vehicle's computer before the repair is started and again following the repair. Are these scans important? Absolutely. If there is an issue, the scan will show a Diagnostic Trouble Code, or DTC. These DTCs will show which system may need repair or calibration. This process identifies what is impossible to detect through visual inspection. Currently, there are some in the insurance industry who don't feel pre- and post-repair scans should be performed on every vehicle. We get it. Any additional step in the repair process increases the cost of the repair. On the flip side, nearly every manufacturer recommends these scans to help guarantee safety post-repair. If the engineers who design safety features on today's vehicles support this technology, then we feel we should too. This is why we ensure that these scans will be performed on every vehicle we repair. Again, my name is Max Keller. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I urge you to reach out to us at Conestoga Collision.